Well, nurses at Montefiore New Rochelle Hospital are on the picket line this noon. They are demanding better working conditions, but the hospital says the union is putting the community at risk during the pandemic. CBS News' Jenna DeAngelis joining us live with more on all of this. Jenna.
Mary, the nurses say they warned the hospital this would happen if they were not given a fair contract. The hospital says it offered a good deal with wage increases and funding for the union pension, but the nurses say it comes down to staffing, holding a press conference here right now to make sure their voices are heard.
What's it about? Patient care. It's always about patient care.
More than 200 Montefiore New Rochelle nurses are on strike, many making noise outside the hospital, where inside they say safety is an issue.
We don't have enough staffing, so we can't take adequate care of the patients.
It's not safe, and I need to watch all the heartbeats under my care, and so that's why I'm here.
This two-day strike after contract negotiations lasting nearly 2 years, and nurses saying the hospital has left them no choice.
The hardest decision, and we are really doing this just for our patients.
We need them to listen, and there's no other way for them to listen.
The New York State Nurses Association says it gave the hospital a 10-day warning of this, but a bargaining session Monday ended with no agreement.
Everything we're asking for leads back to staffing, because we cannot retain staff because our benefits and our salaries and, of course, and staffing.
The hospital held a news conference Monday outlining its offerings to the union, including over 7% in wage increases, medical expenses for retired nurses, health insurance with no employee contributions. But a spokesperson didn't answer our questions about staffing. What about staffing, the nurse-to-patient ratio?
It's answered in the statement.
We don't even know who they are. We didn't even know who any of those people were yesterday. Come out and say that everything is great and that we're being selfish. It's hurtful, and it's just nasty and mean.
Meanwhile, the hospital is using ad space to let people know it's open. But before getting inside, visitors will hear the voices of those on the front line and picket line. In a statement, the hospital said it relocated some of the patients to other facilities to ensure safety. The nurses will be out here all day and back here tomorrow for day 2. We're live in New Rochelle. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.
Jenna, thank you.